Panchthupi Nasratpur Jaher High School, located in Harigacha Thana, Dhunat Upazila, was established in 1972. The school serves as a vital educational institution for students from economically disadvantaged families, providing them with the opportunity to continue their studies after completing primary education. The school currently enrolls approximately 900 students and has 26 dedicated teachers who work diligently to provide a high-quality education. Recognizing the need for modern educational tools, the MHAC project has introduced to the school in 2025 under the leadership of Dr. Mullah Fazlul Haq. The Computer Literacy Program, CLP, is implementing the project with the support from initiative led by Dr. Haq. As part of this project, a smart classroom was established, and the school's computer lab was upgraded to serve as a central learning resource. Students now have free access to computer training and can earn certificates upon completing the course. Initially, only one teacher at the school had computer knowledge. To address this, one teacher was trained to manage day-long Computer Literacy Center, CLC, activities, and 2 teachers were trained to conduct distance learning classes. Additionally, all teachers received a 1-day training to multimedia content creation. Currently, 15 teachers can conduct multimedia classes using computers and bright classrooms, and the school ensures that at least one multimedia class is held each day. Since February 2025, an American volunteer teacher has offered weekly online English classes every Thursday, allowing students to improve their English proficiency. The school is progressing steadily through integrated modern technology and teacher development. It is hoped that Panchthupi Nasratpur Jaher High School students will continue to thrive and succeed through the power of digital learning.